Okay, I'm just going to show you this briefly as well. So I've kind of covered the WordPress alpha, I've covered the email marketing system, Kirium, and I'm also going to cover now LeadBlasta, and then you will see this in a live campaign action, because I needed to cover the inside of this so that you can see it. Now, I've showed you the landing page I'm going to use. I've showed you the viral marketing campaign that I'm going to use. I need to do the bridge page. I still haven't done the bridge page yet, but you will see those two together in a separate video. So this is still a live campaign, and I'm going to give you as well a one app license of LeadBlasta. And what is LeadBlasta? Well, basically I kind of covered some of that in the last video, but you can see we've got a full-blown SMS system. And you can see as we are building our checklist in here, it builds checklists. You can put courses in here, you can do checklists with progress and stuff like that in here. Look at this. This is the YouTube SEO checklist. You can collect email, telephone number for SMS marketing. As soon as people have installed, you can send them push notifications as well. If I come in here and I go into manage notifications, you can see we've got a full-blown push notification system in here that we can use to send to anybody who has installed any of your apps. Okay, let me just come back in. It's logged out. Let me come back in. Okay, and if I go into my apps, and just bear with me a second, it needs to refresh itself. Hopefully it will be a second. It feels slow, this app right now. I think we've got to clear some cookies in the background of the server. And let's come up, YouTube SEO checklist. Let's have a look at this one. If I click on manage notifications, and you can see I've got a couple of notifications here that I've sent out. And we can also get from that, we can get some analytics that we can find. You can see notifications delivered 119,910. I've hardly sent any as well, but it's still that high. And also what you can do with this is you can make these Chrome extensions, you can put them onto the Chrome store, and you can have traffic coming from this as well. You can have inbuilt traffic from this, from the Chrome store. And these Chrome extensions, they rank very, very well. These pages, they rank very, very well. Okay, so for example, this page here, for my YouTube SEO checklist page, you come in here, you can see I've got 1,000 plus users. If I come down, you can see it's actually 1,700, almost 1,700 users right now. And I've had some taken down. Use a Gmail for your Chrome extension, for your Chrome store account. It costs you $5 one-time cost. You can put 20 Chrome extensions, but use a Gmail that you are monitoring. Okay, I didn't. Look at what happens. I lost a big one as well. This one actually had 18,000 users. The first version of YouTube SEO checklist. Don't make the mistake I made. Okay, but these pages, they can rank. They can rank really, really well. If I go and search for YouTube SEO checklist, let's see. You see the Chrome store here. Now if I do that, and this is actually in Bing, I'm using Microsoft Edge here. If I go to google.com, google.com, let's go to that, and we can put in here, let's see, YouTube SEO checklist. You can see that some people are doing some advertising for the same things. Okay, you can see there's some ads, etc. being done, but you can see my Chrome extension here, right at the top. Okay, right at the top. And you can also see, for example, let's do another one. There's no backlinks here. It's just ranks very, very easily. It's a Google property. Google likes to rank it. Its own properties. Let's do one for ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels 2.0, come down, come down, come down. We should be here somewhere. Yeah, oh yeah. ClickFunnels 2.0, we're on page 1 without any backlinks. That's a competitive kind of keyword as well. And there's people trying to push affiliate marketing from that. I did that just as an example, just to show you how easy it is to rank those Chrome pages. So, you know, this is not a gimmicky kind of thing. This is a serious marketing tool with built-in traffic. You really want to be using this. So what I'm going to be doing is my bridge page is going to be giving them opportunity to share the links to the landing page for my web class. Okay, I want people to come in, people to opt in. I'm basically using my email list, the people that have opted into my email list, to multiply itself. Okay, industry standard, I read somewhere recently, the industry standard is that when you're bringing people into your email list and you're presenting them with a referral marketing campaign, well, normally you can double your list. It's like 1.1 for every person you bring in. So 10 people would bring in, they can multiply your list to 21 people, basically, if you have 10 people participating in that. So that's on average, because a lot of people don't participate, or they just share the link and they forget about it. But there's other people that really pushes the button. So for every 10 people you brought in, or every 100 people you brought in, you had 210, multiplied to 210, you can see you're effectively doubling your list. Okay, so that's kind of important. If you can double your list, you're halving your costs. Okay, you're doubling the opportunity to make more sales as well. Okay, kind of important. So we're building that in. And what I'm using this for is to give people an option to use with those giveaways. And I can say to them, well, it's 100 CyberTac credits if it's an SEO crowd, or I can say to them, well, it's a Chrome extension checklist for YouTube SEO checklist, or how to do YouTube ads. We've got another one in here for that one. YouTube ads checklist in here. Again, we've got some opt-in gate in here, and basically you can give them something for free, something of value. It's good if you can use your Chrome extension like this. Even if you're not using an opt-in gate, you can say, oh, by the way, here's a free checklist. You really should check this out. Do not skip this. If you tell people do not skip, they're kind of curious, like, what is it in here? Okay, you tell them you don't want to skip this. This is really high value. Just check it out. It'll take you like 30 seconds to check it out. And basically, they can go and see it, and when they see it, you're giving them an experience as well. When somebody gets this, okay, we've got another one in here, which is like a course. One second. Is that a Chrome extension again? Sticking? Yeah, there's something sticking on my computer. I think it's my browser, but we'll probably have to clean up the cookies in the back end of the server. Okay, so in here you can see I've got a course in here. And in here you can see again I've got a course in here. This one? I've got so many now I can't remember. This one's got video on every single category in here. And so every video's got some checklist, every video's got some bullet points, every video's got some instruction. Okay, so you can give them an experience. Like that is actually a course I was going to sell for $297. It's that good. That course is very, very good. So you can use that for building your email list, for your SMS list, for your push notifications list, and you can also use it for referral marketing campaigns in conjunction with the email marketing software that I'm giving you, because it's got viral marketing campaigns in there. Very quick and very easy to do. 10 minutes you can be done. Okay, with that. And the checklist in here, well, you can do them as quick or you can do them as big as you want. The key thing for this is as well, have a look at this. If I come in here and I go into, let's see, let's go into, that's LeadBlasta. Let's go to apps. Let's go and find one that's actually live right now. And what we're going to do is go to traffic sculpting. Okay, if I click on edit the app, and I go into the theme, you can see it's a green color. Okay, green color theme for this. And when I come over, you can see traffic sculpting here has got the green theme. If I want to change that, say for example I want to make it blue, click on apply the theme. Now when I click on this, on the Chrome store, you can see it's turned blue. That happens literally from the LeadBlasta web application into the Chrome browser instantly. So anybody who has this anywhere across the world, if they click on that now, it's blue. Okay, it's instant. So that works with the API. So what you can do is you can basically just do, a checklist that's basic. It has some good information, but you don't need to have, like 10 different categories. You can just get something up, get it approved. Okay, and when you get it approved, what you can do is you can build upon it, and you can simply, when you have done some updates and stuff like that, like the one I'm working on right now. Where is it? I forget where it is. The one I'm working on right now, all I need to do is when I'm finished updating in here, I can go here and click on Publish API Update. And when I publish the API update, any new content, any new videos that I've embedded, any new checklist items I've added, anything and I've added in here will update in the Chrome Store immediately. Okay, so you can do it just good enough so that you can submit it. Now sometimes it will take up to 2 or 3 days. Sometimes, especially the first time, you might be waiting thinking, is this going to work or not? Am I going to get this accepted or not? Sometimes it'll ask for more information. It's not, sometimes it's not easy, sometimes it is really easy. It depends on who's reviewing. Every single Chrome extension gets reviewed. But if once you get it in there, it can drive a lot of traffic, you can get rankings, and you can be building your list, so it's definitely worth persevering with. And if you're in the traffic sculpting workshops, you have got, if you purchase the 50 apps version, you've also got the Android app version. We can make Android app version of the same checklist that you're using for Chrome extensions. All we're doing here is we're going to export it not as a zip file that you upload into Chrome Store. All we're doing here is exporting as an APK file and putting it into the Play Store, the Google Play Store, so you can get a lot more traffic in there than what you can in the Chrome Store, believe it or not. Okay, massive amounts of traffic, and that can build up your email list quite fast. What you can also do in there with your apps, the Android apps, is you can go over to Fiverr.com. Okay, let's go and have a look at this. You can get someone else to do this for you. Learn how to do it. I'm going to have at some point a new tool in LeadBlasta that does this, but if I just come in here, I'm just going to sign in very, very quickly, and so that I can do some searches without being interrupted. And what I'll do in here is I will look for Google Ads app installs. Okay, there's a specific advertising opportunity for people to go and get some app installs, and you can see people will do this from as little as $40. This guy, 20 million installs he's got so far. I mean, these guys are good. If you can get, like, 10,000 installs for $100, that's worth it. Okay, if it's really targeted traffic. Okay, you can get these app installs. It has to be real traffic though. You don't want the big numbers just for the numbers. Even though I'm giving you the keyroom email where you can actually use, you still have the opt-in gate within your mobile app. With that keyroom email account I'm giving you, there is unlimited subscribers. You've got unlimited. They will only charge you when you are sending your emails. If you're using double verification, two-step verification, so that they have to confirm the email address, you do not have to pay a credit for that. If you're using single opt-in and you're not asking them to verify the email, then Keyroom does that in the background and they're going to charge you a credit. That can be very effective. It can be a very good way to do it as well. That can be, although it's using up more credits, it's a very efficient way to do it. And also the credits are not expensive. Okay, so you can see the possibilities here. The whole system is a quality system. There's nobody got a system like this. If you think about it, we've got the tools for the research, for the targeting like you've never seen before, to steal from a former US president like the world has never seen before. You've never seen anything like that when it comes to targeting with tens of thousands of placement URLs and channels, etc., etc. It's not, you don't find that anywhere else, not that I'm aware of. You've got your landing page system where it's like a pre-built WordPress site that you can have these ready. You're just going to change the link in here, or you can just overwrite anything in here to make it your own. You've got like pre-configured WordPress site with all the plugin settings done, and then you've got a world-class email marketing system, and it's even got viral marketing built in, and you've got no limitations on how many people you can add in there. You're not going to get charged for putting 1 million people in there. You only get charged if you do a single opt-in, and you only get charged for the emails you send out. Okay, you got all the way through into having the LeadBlasta Chrome extensions. You've got at least one of these where you've got a full-blown push notification system, a full-blown SMS marketing system. Think about this. I mean, seriously, this is some power all the way through. And you have bridge pages and landing pages and all the way through. I mean, it's a crazy, crazy system. Powerful, huh? Anyway, enough about this. So you can see the possibilities that you will see me using this in the landing page. I've just got to create maybe 3 different bridge pages, and we can run with that. Okay, but that's basically what we're going to do. So there's going to be a part 2 of this video, and in the part 2, it will be in a separate category here, because I can only put one video in one category kind of thing, and that means that you're going to have to watch the second part of this where you'll see this in action. And once we have got that, the landing page done, which we've already got done on LeadBlasta.com, and the bridge page needs to be done. We will do variations of that, and we're going to send people to these Chrome extensions as an opportunity to build or multiply our list with viral marketing. Okay, so I need to do a new viral marketing campaign for that as well. Okay, very quick and very easy though, it's only 10 minutes. So I'll record that in a separate video as well, how to set that up with the keyring. So all of this all together is pretty much ready just to drive traffic. I've got 2 things to do: make a bridge page and make another viral marketing campaign within Keyring. And now what we can do is I can start to prepare my campaign for the LeadBlasta tool to be able to just come in and run some in-stream ads. Okay, and I'm going to run the in-stream ads to that video that I've got on the LeadBlasta channel, for the LeadBlasta video. Okay, I'm going to see if we can get away with using that, because it's actually a good video. You will see on LeadBlasta.com it's only got 11 views. It's also on my main channel as well, which has got, I don't know how many views, it's going to be a few hundred, 1,000 or something on there. But for the LeadBlasta channel, I've put it in there, it's not got many views. We will use that video if they will let us use it, and we'll see how well that performs, because I've got some split test variations of that being done from people on Fiverr.com, so I can test it and see what's working best. Alright, so that's it for now. Longer video, didn't expect it was going to go this long, but it's kind of important that you understand the power of what we're building here. It's absolute power all the way through. I don't think anybody's got a system anything close to this when it comes to the full funnel kind of thing. Even ClickFunnels would struggle for this, okay? Because what we have with the LeadBlasta, what we have with the WordPress Alpha, with the optimization, with the SEO built, and all that kind of stuff is already done for you, okay? All the way through. Email marketing system. Powerful stuff. All right, I'll see you in the next video.